Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best compact bike is probably one of the most sought-after fitness solutions for apartment dwellers and space-conscious individuals, offering a fantastic low-impact cardio workout without sacrificing quality or features. Today, we will review the best compact exercise bikes on the market, comparing their features, performance, and overall value to help you choose the perfect fit for your home gym. Number 5. XTERRA Folding Exercise Bike. This bike is perfect for home workouts. Its space-saving design makes it ideal for smaller apartments or homes. It features a sturdy X-frame that folds compactly for easy storage. You can easily fold it and put it away when not in use. Experience ultimate comfort with its large, anatomically designed seat and adjustable handlebars. It's designed to make your workouts as comfortable as possible. The clear LCD screen displays all your workout stats: speed, distance, time, calories burned, and pulse. You can easily track your progress. It offers 8 levels of resistance, easily adjustable with a convenient dial. You can customize your workout intensity with ease. It supports users up to 225 pounds. It's built to last and support a wide range of users. What we like? It folds away easily for small spaces. Its comfy seat and handlebars make for a pleasant workout. If you value convenience and comfort, this is the bike for you. What people say. The instructions were very easy to read and understandable, which is a rarity these days. Most of the nuts and bolts were already pre-mounted on the bike, which made it very easy to put together. Wrenches and screwdrivers were included. The pictures were accurate with the right numbering. This thing is ridiculously quiet. I've owned this same exact model before, and this one was, well, the exact same. I put a lot of miles on the old one I had, and it stood the test of time. It's super quiet. You won't hear if someone is cycling if you're in another room. Number 4. YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike. It features a 35 pounds flywheel and heavy-duty steel frame for stability. The belt-driven system ensures a smooth, quiet workout, perfect for apartment living. With its adjustable handlebar and 4-way adjustable seat, it offers a customized fit for a comfortable ride. Enjoy a workout tailored to your body. The LCD monitor displays your workout stats, including time, speed, distance, and calories burned. Stay motivated and see your results. The built-in tablet holder lets you enjoy your favorite shows or music while you exercise. Make your workouts more enjoyable. Safety features include adjustable cage pedals and an emergency stop. It also includes a water bottle holder and transport wheels for easy mobility. It comes with all the necessary tools and instructions for easy assembly. Plus, there's an online video to guide you through the process. Enjoy a year of free parts replacement. What we like? Enjoy a smooth, silent ride thanks to its belt drive. The sturdy frame ensures stability. If a quiet workout and entertainment options are important, choose this one. What people say. Provides a very good, intense workout. Easy to assemble. The bike seems to be very quiet. Number 3. ATIVAFIT Exercise Bike. It folds easily for compact storage. 7 adjustable seat heights ensure a comfortable workout, and smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move around your home. It features 8 adjustable magnetic resistance levels for a customizable workout. The magnetic drive is quieter than other types, perfect for apartments or shared spaces. This indoor bike boasts a robust alloy steel frame, ensuring stability and durability. It supports users up to 265 pounds. The large display screen shows your workout data. Track your time, speed, calories burned, and pulse in real time to monitor your progress. It's ideal for home workouts, offering convenience and efficiency. Start your fitness journey today and take your workouts to the next level. What we like? This space-saving bike is easy to store. The magnetic resistance ensures a quiet workout. If you need versatility and a quiet workout, this is a great option. What people say. It is a bit heavy but not too bad. I got this all together in about 40 minutes. The instructions are pretty clear. I like that it doesn't take up very much space, folded and unfolded, easy to maneuver, and easy to fold and unfold. The bike seems solid while I was using it. Very easy to assemble. surprisingly sturdy for its price. Quiet, doesn't make any noise at all, other than the display beeping when it turns on. Relatively lightweight and easy to store, not an eyesore if you store in the corner of a room. Assembly, super easy to assemble. I did it by myself in about 45 minutes and a lot of it was already put together. Noise level, very quiet. You can't hear it cycling, and I don't think it rocks back and forth so downstairs neighbors don't hear anything but me rolling the bike to where I want to use it or store it. Effectiveness, great. I like the tension levels and all of the modes on the machine except for the heart rate part, and I don't pay attention to the calories. I get a great workout in and can feel my legs getting stronger. Number 2. ATIVAFIT Exercise Bike. It displays your distance, speed, time, and heart rate, keeping you motivated. Plus, there's a phone holder to keep you entertained. With its wide, comfortable seat, it supports up to 265 pounds. The adjustable seat ensures a personalized fit for everyone. Its X-type frame design ensures stability and safety, so you can focus on your workout without worry. It folds compactly for easy storage and features wheels for effortless mobility. It fits perfectly into any space. The magnetic control flywheel ensures a quiet ride, perfect for watching TV or listening to music while you exercise. What we like? It offers adjustability for various body types. The sturdy design provides stability. If you need a quiet and adaptable bike, this is the one. What people say? It is a bit heavy but not too bad. I got this all together in about 40 minutes. The instructions are pretty clear. I like that it doesn't take up very much space folded and unfolded, easy to maneuver, and easy to fold and unfold. The bike seems solid while I was using it. Very easy to assemble. Surprisingly sturdy for its price. Quiet, doesn't make any noise at all, other than the display beeping when it turns on. Relatively lightweight and easy to store, not an eyesore if you store in the corner of a room. Assembly, super easy to assemble. I did it by myself in about 45 minutes and a lot of it was already put together. Noise level, very quiet. You can't hear it cycling, and I don't think it rocks back and forth so downstairs neighbors don't hear anything but me rolling the bike to where I want to use it or store it. Effectiveness, great. I like the tension levels and all of the modes on the machine except for the heart rate part, and I don't pay attention to the calories. I get a great workout in and can feel my legs getting stronger. Number 1. LEIKE X Bike. Get ready to experience the ultimate in-home fitness. It's versatile, quiet, and perfect for all fitness levels. It seamlessly transitions between upright and recumbent positions, allowing you to target different muscle groups and maximize your workout. With 10 levels of adjustable magnetic tension, it offers a customized workout experience for both beginners and seasoned athletes. Enjoy a peaceful workout without disturbing those around you. Its magnetic resistance ensures a smooth, silent ride. Experience comfort with its wide seat, foldable backrest, and adjustable seat height. The pedals are designed for a comfortable and secure ride. Stay informed during your workout with its high-definition electronic display that shows real-time data, including your heart rate. What we like? It offers both upright and recumbent positions for a varied workout. The magnetic resistance ensures a quiet ride. If you want a versatile bike with heart rate monitoring, this is for you. What people say? Feels fairly stable and gives me a good workout even for a foldable bike, which I was unsure about when I ordered. It has lasted for over 2 years now and was easy to transport through a move. It does not take up a lot of space. Fairly comfortable. It's quiet, portable, and well built. This has been used consistently for 3 years with no issues. So not only well built, but handy to store and use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.